The great Master Padma said, in whichever direction you travel, remember the Buddhas and bodhisattvas, make offerings and take refuge. For instance, if tomorrow you are going toward the east, lay out a mandala and make offerings today, taking refuge in the Buddhas and bodhisattvas of that direction. Supplicate before taking leave, Master, vajra holder. All Buddhas and bodhisattvas, please listen to me. Please prevent obstacles caused by humans and non-humans, and make everything auspicious from the to me of leaving this place, until I arrive at my destination. At the time of leaving, if you do not remember to take refuge within 10 or 7 steps of crossing your threshold, your refuge vows damage. Once you entrust your mind to the refuge, it is impossible that you will be deceived.